Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Go to Search option, then on the search bar, type in the name of the friend or person you want to find. Now, all you have to do is find that little filter option right below Back option. Now, after you tap that, you can see Pins, Videos, Boards and Profiles. Select Profiles and tap on View Results. Then Pinterest is going to show you profiles with that name. Look for their DP, then find your friend, then hit that follow button. Once they follow you back, you're gonna be friends on Pinterest. And guys, that's it. That's how I add friend on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.